Here are 6 red flags to consider when hiring a personal injury lawyer. Number 1, that lawyer or someone from the lawyer's law firm or a representative called you or reached out to you. This is illegal in the state of Michigan, and it's called solicitation. If an injury firm or somebody on their behalf calls you, or they pretend like they're a state agency calling you, hang up and call your own injury lawyer of your choosing. Number 2 is if a personal injury firm asks you for any money up front, anything, $10, $100, that is not the way to do business in Michigan. Most personal injury law firms won't charge anything until you win your case. A third red flag, lack of experience. If a lawyer is right out of law school, has a very small shop, and doesn't really seem organized or know what they're doing, it's a red flag, and you may want to find someone with experience in whatever type of injury you're seeking advice on. Fourth red flag, and I see this one a lot, people with an injury hiring a non-injury lawyer, like a criminal lawyer or a divorce lawyer or a bankruptcy lawyer or a corporate lawyer. If you had a heart attack and you needed heart surgery, you wouldn't go to a chiropractor, and you wouldn't go to an orthopedic surgeon. You'd go to a cardiologist. Same thing in personal injury. At the Mike Morse Law Firm, we've been doing this for over 30 years, and that's all we do. And that's what you want to go find if you get injured in Michigan. The fifth red flag is if a law firm says or guarantees results. We win 99.9% of the cases, or we're going to win your case. That is unethical, and it's a red flag. I've never guaranteed a case win for any client in over 30 years. We do our best. We do win most of our cases, but you can't guarantee anything when it comes to personal injury cases. And the sixth red flag would be poor communication. When you reach out to a law firm, how quickly do they get back to you? How quickly do they schedule you an appointment? Or can they do the write-up right there over the phone? Do they call you back pretty quickly after you sign up with the firm? If a firm does not have good communication at the beginning of the case, how do you think it's going to be throughout the pendency of the case? It's definitely a red flag. And if you meet with a lawyer and you don't feel right about it, there are lots of lawyers to choose from. So go find somebody that you connect with, that you think are going to have your best interests at heart and do a really good job for you and your family. Best of luck out there.